Ciao to all you collectors of cartoon vehicles, which it might be like me and like 5 other people in the world. But anyways, I like these things. I think they look cool. You know, they're just so deformed that they're comical to look at. So this is made by a company called Timothy and Pierre. Timothy and Pierre makes actual, more realistic models. Although I know their Singer Porsches are actually not 1/64 scale because I have one, but it has a lot of nice details. And I'm expecting the same here. Ah, boy, this packaging. I mean, it's nice that it shows up pretty. It'd be good to give away as a gift to someone, this sort of thing. There's no licensing or anything like that. And these cases are pretty good, I find. They don't just fall out. They actually have a little bit of tension. This one might have a lot of tension, actually. Okay, there we go. No, something's stuck. I think it's because it has this fake leather base. You know, it's snagging the cover. But I'm afraid this fake leather here is gonna crack and peel like a lot of fake leather does. I've never had fake leather last more than like 5 years. Okay, let's look at these things here, see what actually comes across. And you know, for a cartoon, I think that looks pretty good. Let's try the side view. See how foreshortened this guy really is. Yeah, it's funny how they shrank this thing down. Okay, rear view as well. I think the rear view is really well done. There's a lot of detail going on there. Okay, let's get a better light angle here. So these are limited. I got this off AliExpress. There's still a bunch out there, so this whole limited edition thing and collecting is kind of, I mean, I guess it's true, but I don't know. It's just a selling gimmick, I think. Alright, anyways, this is a metallic pink, I think. Yeah, it is metallic. It's really nice. I think these are resin models. I have a suspicion this whole body is like made of some cast resin, and then they add some additional parts. Look at the wheels here. Oh, there's actually air passing between those spokes. I think it would have been nice if there's a brake system, though. You know, when you have such giant openings between the spokes, you just naturally want to see brakes, and unfortunately this doesn't have that. But the wheels are nicely done. They're extremely shiny. I don't know if that's raw plastic or if they literally clear coated the plastic. I think it's actually painted. Because look at the base, you know, this is just raw molded plastic, right? But then those wheels, I think they painted them black and then clear coated them because they're just so smooth and so black. It's really nicely done. Alright, let's go to the front here. So the Ferrari badge, I'm gonna guess it's a decal, but let's take a look. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a decal. What I'm wondering is it under the clear coat? Yeah. I don't know. I have a feeling it's under the clear coat. I don't feel any sort of ledge there, but I can't say with 100% certainty. Alright, what's going on here? Oh, yeah, that vent goes in a bit. Oh, I can hear a texture. It's so dark I don't see anything, so hold on here, let me back out and get a flashlight. Oh yeah, look at that. So that's nice. There's actually a grille texture there. Pretty impressive. Okay, the headlights there, they look pretty nice as well. They're clear covers, and I don't know if there's like, yeah, there are molded details back there. I mean, I think I have to zoom in for you to really see. I can see it with the naked eye, but the thing's so reflective, it might be hard. Maybe at this angle. So yeah, see, you can see these little boxes and stuff where the LEDs are. And then this is a separate piece, and maybe there's a bump there. Yeah, could be a bump there, it could be part of the lens cover, molded to look like a light bulb. Alright, these vents here, no additional paint though. Okay, it's a totally blacked out, you know, opaque windshield, windows. There's no interior on this thing. These mirrors look nice. They're actually on stalks, and the bottom is black, and they have silver paint, so that's nice. And then we have the Ferrari crest here on the side. It's pretty good. It's got the initials there. Yeah, the initials there on the bottom. Alright, there's a fuel filler door there. And then the vent there. Goes pretty far back, that vent. Look at that. So it's got some engine detail, but the rear window is one of those thin pieces of sheet plastic. It's not a molded window, it's literally a thin piece of plastic, so it's very clear. And then this Ferrari badge is really nice. I mean, it's a foil sticker, so it's got a little bit of depth to it. You know, it's raised lettering. These taillights are great. And they're super thick, translucent red. And then those exhaust pipes look nice as well. There's actually depth to the middle of them. Let's see how the pick. Yeah, look at that. So that's very good. It's black in the middle. These little dots, I'm going to assume, are LEDs. And then a diffuser. And then these tiny reflectors are actually translucent pieces of plastic. So that's very nice. Another foil horse there. And then a nice grill texture. So, yeah, you know, this bumper here, though, is a little rough. Because I think, again, it's like some sort of cast resin. Like, it may have actually come out of a silicone mold. And so there might be some air pockets and stuff. But they managed to paint it really nice. If you look at the smoothness of this clear coat, it's so smooth, I have a feeling it might have been hand polished. Or there's some true model makers making these things, because I've tried to clear coat stuff and it never comes out this smooth. It always has orange peel. So, very, very nice paint job on this guy. This is under 4 times magnification. Okay. Well, I gotta say, it's very impressive. You know, this is on par, really, with a lot of other realistic-looking 1/64 scale models. So, I'm very happy to have it. It just looks ridiculous, but it looks nice at the same time. You know, you can just clearly see the quality of the finish, even though it's a clown car. So, I like it. And then this obnoxious pink color is really, you know, throwing it over the top as far as how silly can you make a serious car look. So that's why I like it. Alright, let me get these spin things here. And we'll compare it to the actual 1/64 scale realistic model here. Let me get the focus going. Alright. So, it's made by Kyosho, and this one's purple. And the Kyosho is quite nice. It's really nicely done. Another good paint job on that guy. But also the Kyosho doesn't have brakes either. But the Kyosho was a lot less expensive. Okay. So I have a few other Ferraris here, all made by Takara or Tomitech. They're choro-q Zeros. So I have this 250 GTO. That one's really cool. I added some black paint details though to help really bring out the details in the wheels and stuff. Same here, this Ferrari F50. I added some black in the wheels. They just looked a little bit weird being all silver. I have a 355 also in dark blue. And I think we can fit the Ferrari F40 on here as well. Got a top view. Alright. Well, I gotta say, Timothy Pierre pulls it off again. I'm gonna get the Alfa Romeo for sure. I only hope they continue making these things. The sad part is, I think most normal people won't want to buy a cartoon car this expensive, a cartoon model. But I gotta say, I think it's worth the money. The amount of details here, just justify it for me. And so I like these cartoon cars. I hope they make more castings. I'll definitely buy them. So, okay, guys. Well, I'll see you whenever I get that Alfa Romeo in. Thanks. Bye.